So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use this Gorilla heavy duty construction adhesive. I'm gonna use it for my iPad case because, as you can see, the leather is peeling off the plastic. So I first remove the iPad, and because the curing time is 24 hours, so I would need to let this sit for 24 hours, so I won't be using it. So let's open up the adhesive. So I got this from Walmart for around $7. You can get some other Gorilla glues, but they're more expensive, but I'm not sure if this is really going to work. So I'm going to show you after 24 hours the result, and if it's a good buy for gluing this leather to plastic. You can see in the back, it says here all surface, all purpose. So you could use in tubs, mirrors, wood, so all kinds of concrete, metal. So it says just unscrew it and put this nozzle, and you can start applying it in a zigzag pattern. So what I did first is, if you can see that the cleaning thing, I cleaned this first. So it needs to be grease free, clean, and then dry it off. And I already did that process. So, oh, Shiloh, can you give me the nozzle? I'm going to give you a quick review in the directions. It says all surfaces should be clean and free of dirt. So it says here best use above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So first, unscrew the cap, fold and screw on nozzle, cut to the desired bead size, and then apply adhesive to one surface in a zigzag pattern. So it says within 10, be careful, squeeze out. Within 10 minutes, press surfaces together and hold for 20 to 60 seconds. Cure time 24 hours minimum, dependent on temperature, humidity, and surfaces. So to store, replace, cap tightly to prevent material from curing. Store in a dry location. So clean up, wipe off wet adhesive immediately with dry cloth, or alcohol also can be used. Okay, so let's get started. So let me pull this open, this cup open, so you can see it's, so it says here, so this is how you're gonna and I'm gonna trim the tip. Can you give me a scissor, please? So I have a scissors here, and I'm gonna cut very small. I'm gonna start really small. I'm not sure if this is gonna, so my scissors is kind of kitty scissors. I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, it does. Okay, so as you can see, there's a hole there in the tip, and I'm gonna start applying it in a zigzag pattern. So let's start applying it. Let's see if it's gonna come out. Oops, there you go. So it says zigzag. That's worked. Make sure it's covered thoroughly. Including the edges. It's a little bit hard. So I'm going to put it down. It's a little bit hard, so I would need to use both hands to squeeze this. That's much easier. So okay, so I'm sure at all the sides and the corners. So as you can see, I've got mostly covered. Make sure that the insides are glued really well, and the edges. Also applying some in here on the other side. So now I think we're ready to put it now. So it says press firmly for 10 minutes. So I want to make sure that, let's see here. I think I missed a spot over here. Let's see, the very corners. So I'm going to press it firmly for 10 minutes. But I'm going to pause it and I'll show it to you after 10 minutes. So as you can see, I'm wiping off the remnant or the residue. Just wipe off the residue and keep on pressing. Alexa, set an alarm for 10 minutes.
So we're just gonna. Can you relax, mommy, when you only need?
So I'm focusing my pressing the corners because this is the area that peeled off. So I'm gonna keep my hands in here and in the corners for 10 minutes. Corner keeps on pulling away, so I'm gonna try to put some more glue in that corner. Did some glue in this corner and I'm gonna push it again and keep my thumb in there. So to remove this, to remove the nozzle, I just unscrewed it and I covered it back. So what I did with one side is I clamped it with this. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and let it cure for 24 hours, it says. So just keep on massaging this area. 24 hours since I glued this the iPad case. So I have this clamp sitting in here for 24 hours, and as you can see, for the shadow, but that's where we glued it, and the other side is this piece. So let's try to open it and see if it glued well. So this is the iPad and this is the part where we glued. There is actually some residue. As you can see, there's a white residue. And I'm going to try to make it stand. As you can see, it's not splitting open anymore. So I think it worked. There you go. So thank you for watching our video. See you in the next one. Bye.